Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated fail attempts on others' activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Follow this step. Don't skip videos. So your issue Snapchat account temporarily disabled and permanently locked account unlock. First method: open any browser and search Snapchat Spot. Tap on Snapchat Spot and tap on search bar and search my Snapchat account disabled. Now tap on my access to my Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled and scroll down. Terms of service and scroll down. Now tap on this online form. Now tap on I can access my account. Now tap on my account is locked. Now tap on locked and scroll down and tap on here. Now tap on yes and waiting 20 hours solve your problem and received your Gmail message and reopen your Snapchat account. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.